Hey everyone, Josh here, and welcome to the 2000 subscriber special. Thanks to all the people that have subscribed, and yeah, really inspires me to do more videos and keep this channel going. So I appreciate you all, and yeah, I just wanted to make a video to show you how much I appreciate it. But so here we go. I'm gonna crush my GoPro. So there we go. It was actually pretty strong and held up there for a minute, but anyway guys, thanks again for subscribing, and hopefully we can get to another 1,000. Alright, I'll see you on the next one.